This house was built in 1938. I'm fifth generation already. It's called Herman Unson Heritage House kasi yung lolo ko si Herman was the one who had this house built.
Ayan sila.
That's my lolo on the
this
left.
one.
Yes. So we are the first bed and breakfast na heritage house.
Dito sa Silay.
Dito sa Silay.
Okay mga kaijubero, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. So bali, nandito pa rin tayo sa Silay mga kaijubero. Ito yung sa Moray Street. Ito yung i-feature natin ngayon. Herman Unson Heritage House. Bed and breakfast. Pasok na tayo. Okay, so isa ito sa mga well-maintained na lumang bahay, ancestral house ano. Ayan. So Herman Locsin Unson Ancestral House. Okay, so ang nagmamanage nito ngayon, isa sa mga may-ari ay ang apo ni Herman Unson. So nandito tayo mismo sa likod ng kanilang bahay. Ito daw dating tangke ng tubig. 'Di ba? Syempre pati likod pinapakita ko sa inyo para may idea rin kayo. Ayan. Okay, so dito tayo sa kanilang master's bedroom. Ito yung master's bedroom. So how much naman ito, ma'am? A night? 2,800, good for two.
Nalipin na pa yung breakfast.
Tapos kung meron akong gustong idagdag na kasama, isa,
Okay, lagyan lang ng extra bed, 500.
500. Okay. Not bad. Kasi ang laki ng ano,
Oo,
ng,
pwedeng apat.
oh pwede yes, pwedeng apat.
Check mo yung CR, may mga shell collection sila doon.
Tingnan natin. Ito ba, siyempre bago na to.
Hindi uma.
Ay, oo nga.
Partial related.
Oo.
Yan talaga yung
Tap.
tab noon pa. Anong taon itinayo ang bahay? 1938. Kasabay ito,
Oo.
itong tab. Oh, wow. Pero syempre ito mga additional na lang ito. Mga bago na ito, no. Tapos itong lababo, ito bago, ito. Oh. Yan, syempre bago. Diba? Natuwa ako sa ano, tub. O bathtub, no? Tapos sa kabila may tao, sa Rene.
Wala.
Wala.
Pwede naman.
Asin. O, diba? Salamin. So, ito talaga yung cabinet ng...
Oo.
Anong pangalan po niya?
Fe. Onson.
Fe Unson. Okay.
Ledesma. Onson.
Fe Ledesma Unson. Okay. So, isa sa mga anak. Tama?
Oo, si Rene, yung panganay.
Tapos, si Rene ang
Panganay.
panganay. Dalawa lang ba anak ng...
Apat.
Apat sila. And ito, how much naman ito, madam?
1,002.
Mas mura siya,
Kasi
syempre.
maliit na siya.
Oh, so one of the anak, si Rene.
Rene.
Okay. So, maganda siya kasi mayroong dalawang separate bed.
Oo.
Single,
Single din.
no?
Pero mayroon sa house, meron din. Dalawang...
Meron bang single lang?
Wala.
Wala?
Meron ng kalaki.
Ah, ganon. 2-2. Okay, not bad. Tapos may aircon ka na. Pero gusto ko makita yung view dito. Nahirapan tuloy si Madam.
Wala, problema.
Ah, yan yung view natin. Yan yung main street, no?
Oo.
Sa Mora.
Oo, so.
Diba, ang laki ng ano? Malaki rin to for 2 person. Tapos ito, bathroom bago naman. Oh. So yan yung bathroom. Tapos ito yung shower. Kalabas na tayo. Pinatay ko na. Ganda.
Sa taas.
So ito ang living area. Pero ma'am, natuwa ako dito. Ito ba yung crib?
Oo,
Ang galing.
1.5 siguro yan.
Oh.
Years.
Ano pa, ilang taon?
105.
Oh, so ano na to? Antique na. No sir, no? Antique no.
Basta inabot ng 100 years or more than 100 years. Antique.
Antique. Pero pag less,
Less
Vintage. Vintage. Dami natin natututunan sa mga nakikilala natin, di ba? Tapos, yan. Sige po. So, paakyat tayo sa taas. Tapos dito may balcony pa, oh. O asoteya.
Cactus kasi hindi kami masyadong magtanim ng cactus. Ginawa na nga nito parang.
Ano ba to additional ng bahay?
Noong una kasi wala ito pong ano. So,
Ah.
parang ano talaga siya. May mga tanim.
Oh.
taniman.
Nice. Tapos kalaunan pilalagyan nyo na lang ng bubong, ano?
Oo.
So yung bahay, no, may art deco style. So kasi
Oo.
kita nyo yung mga railings o mga
Ano,
bakal.
mga bakal.
Oo. Ayun, no, ninyo. Oh. Art deco siya.
Oo, mga bakal.
Oo. O, diba? Art deco. Mga railings. Ito, mga santo. Ah, ito yung pinaka ano mo
Kaso lang yung nakakaanong tao dyan.
sa Lourdes.
Ang anak niya, si Rene, si Lourdes, si Carmen, at saka si Christina. Isang lalaki, tatlong baba.
Ah, I see.
Sandali lang.
Ah, sige po. Nakakatuwa itong picture nila. Oh. Sorry, hindi natin matanaw. Tapos eto yan, dito sila sa balcony. So may naka-check-in daw dito sa Lourdes. Kaya hindi ito may papakita sa atin. Pero itong Carmen Cristina, yan, kinuha lang yung susi. So ito yung pinaka-dining area nila. Ngayon na bukas na. So ito yung Carmen Cristina. Ito naman for two ren.
Good po. Good for today.
And ito po magkano to?
2,000.
Ah, pareho lang nung kay Rene. Ah, okay. So kapag dito ako nag-stay, dalawa naman yung kama ko. Sinong hihiga sa tabi ko? Kung ako lang mag-isa. Kapag dikitin,
Sige, para dalawa yung ano mo.
baka pagising ko,
May kasama ka na.
hindi, nasa ilalim.
Sa harap.
Nasa... De, joke lang. Oo, beveled, oh. Diba?
Yung banyo nila.
O, tingnan natin yung banyo. Ito may, ano pa, may pagkaluma pa to.
Oo.
Oo nga.
Ito. Ano pa to? Kung unang panahon.
Yan yung bidet.
Bilay nila.
Oo.
Unang panahon.
Ayan, lababo. May ano ba, bathtub?
Tabo
Oo.
nila. Yung parehong color. No?
Oo. Siyempre, babae. No?
Babae. Dalawang babae.
Oo, dalawang babae. Sina Carmen at Christina.
This house was built in 1938 and I'm fifth generation already. It's called Herman Unson Heritage House kasi yung lolo ko si Herman was the one who had this house built. But actually, the property really belongs to his wife, si Fe. Kaso, nung time ng lola ko, si Fe, this house looked very different. Yan yung what it looked like before.
Opo.
But when she married my lolo, it was Lolo Herman who built this house.
I see.
So, we converted this into a bed and breakfast in 2016. And we decided to put names sa mga rooms ba.
No.
Parang those who were the original occupants of the rooms.
Okay.
So, I think you've seen the room.
Yes.
So here, the big one, the master's bedroom, Herman Fe, was the room of my grandparents, Herman and Fe. Here, si Rene, their oldest sibling. Yung 2 rooms sa taas, one is occupied, so I don't
Oo
think
nga
you
po
got to
eh.
see one.
Hindi,
Si
okay lang po.
Lourdes is the second sibling. And then Carmen, Christina are the last 2 siblings. So Christina is my mom. So that was her room. We kind of grew up here in a way because every Saturday, our small family would gather here for lunch. Tapos ako, there were times that I would, sleep with my lola. My lola passed away when I was about 7 years old.
Opo.
So, but I still have memories of him. He was very sociable.
Opo.
And the reason why you see mga Japanese, like the geisha doll here, and pictures, if you've seen the pictures here,
Yes.
there's a picture here with him and the group of Japanese businessmen.
Really? Meron sila
And
nito?
it's here.
Ayan sila.
That's my lolo on
Oh,
the
this
left.
one.
Yes. And he looks Japanese,
Oo
actually.
nga. Pinag-uusapan nga namin kanina, sabi niya, ang gwapo naman ito, pero ano?
He looks Japanese
Oo.
and he's had many, kasi because of business,
Opo.
he's had many Japanese business associates who became good friends.
Opo.
They recognized 30 of the ancestral houses here as heritage houses. So, at that time, medyo developing na yung tourism for that. So, medyo maraming nag-encourage sa amin na because we have tourists coming in to see the ancestral houses,
yeah.
but then we send them off to modern hotels. So, why not give
Oo
them
nga.
the experience, the
Yes.
option to experience how it was to stay in a heritage house. So, we are the first bed and breakfast na heritage house.
Dito sa Silay.
We opened in 2016 and it's not just us now, may ibang nag-crop up pa rin. Mainly, business-wise, this is a bed and breakfast. But, we've expanded a bit kasi like, yung all-day breakfast namin,
Oo.
well, it's actually breakfast. That's kasama sa room rate, di ba? But, because masarap naman talaga yung food.
Siyempre.
And some of them are my Lola Fest recipes. So, some come here to eat kahit na they're not guests. So, we serve all day breakfast.
Oh, pwede pala yung kahit di sila magstay dito.
Yes.
Basta magpabook ahead of time.
Yes.
Okay.
Sounds may recipe. Kasi, there are times when the house is not available.
Oo.
So, better to book ahead.
Oo.
And then, of course, the garden is also a venue for events. So, you can rent it for events
For
as well.
debut, photo shoot,
Debut.
weddings.
Yes, birthdays,
Birthday,
launch,
yeah.
mga whatever na product launch. No?
Oo. So you're open to any kind of
Yes,
events.
but we don't go beyond 100%.
Okay,
So,
okay.
Kita mo naman, it's not that big. We make sure that by 10 p.m.,
Okay.
wala nang sound system, wala nang anything, quiet na. Actually, our events end at 10 at the latest.
Okay.
Kasi residential area open.
Ma'am Shell, where can we find you? Facebook? We also have
Yes, we have a Facebook
booking.com.
page.
Yeah.
Our business page, kasi some, medyo nako-confuse. May lumalabas na dalawa.
Actually.
One is the first one na it's not actually our business page. It's yung profile pic is the actual house. So
Na
don't
black
go
and
there.
white.
For some reason, I can't even access that. No, you go to the logo with the black,
and white,
logo.
okay.
Yes, that is her.
That's
That's
your-
where you messaged me.
Okay.
So
Kasi
that's
nag-message
the
ako
one
sa,
page.
sa una, sa akin tagal
Yeah.
naman sumagot. And then
Oo.
I found out na may isa pa pala.
Yes. I don't know why I don't have access there. So anyway, this one is really the official page. The one
Okay.
with the logo. So that's where we receive the bookings and all that.
Okay po.
Inquiries. Ayun.
Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Shell.
Thank
You
you
po.
Thank you.
So ganito pala siya dati. Yan daw
So
yung
that's
original
really
na
the
bahay.
food talaga and built closer to the gate, as you can see. So from that to this.
To this, ito na yung...
This is my Lolo Herman greeting everyone here.
Sino nag-paint nito? Lim?
Lim Guan.
Lim Guan.
He's a known artista here. Parang a lot done by him.
Oh, I see. Lolo niyo po siya, no?
Yes, with his original reading glasses.
Oh, I see. Galing. Nakip pa. Buhay pa.